Okay guys, dito tayo maglalaro sa Car Crash Studio. Naririnig ko to sa YouTube, pinanood ko. Nakita ko masaya din. Kaya titingnan natin. Okay guys, kaya pala nakita nyo to. Gagawa bago. Kaya dito kaya sa city. Ang maganda din dito. O saan na lang kaya? Saan na lang? Ano maisip? Dito na. Dito na. Practice. Oh, maglalagay ito pangalan. Okay, ilagay natin yun. Enjoy. Cool. Okay guys, yan. Enjoy cool for the Enjoy fam. Okay. Lalaro ko na din to. Maganda din. Okay. Dito naman yung may wait lang. Dito naman dapat merong four-wheeler car. Anong ka-car dyan guys? Gusto nyo yung SUV or yung van? SUV, subscribe, like di 90 car 19. Ano pipiliin nyo? Car 17? Okay. At pwede naman po kayo mag-subscribe. Okay. Ay. Okay, yan pala 17. Yun. Yan. Taron. Tsaka dyan yun. Ilagay lang natin 10. Kaya ayos na yan. At dito naman, sa may mabuboom, dito, bus naman. Second bus, or school bus. Double decker. Okay. Double decker bus. Okay, and yung speed niya ay 100. Okay. Yo. Hindi naman pa ganun. Ang ikot natin. Wait. Yan. Ayos na. Let's see. It's kinda lame. Let's check this out. Okay. And this is really wait. Drive mode. Okay. Drive mode. A vehicle. This is gonna be our vehicle. Wait. It looks alright. Let's try this a little bit. Okay. Not the dent. Okay. Driver camera. Okay. This game's pretty nice, This car's gonna drifty because it's a Toyota. Ayo, where's the car going? Car studio. Okay, wait. Okay, lakasin naman natin para marinig nyo naman. Okay, rinig nyo na. Bagal naman ng car na to guys. Kasi okay lang. Ayaw tumigil ng car na yun. Wala, tingnan natin yung car natin. Oh. Wala. Kawawa naman. Na-lost control. Tara, i-crash natin yung car na to. Wait. Kaya to. Okay guys, ayan na. Di naman matatamaan. Yan. Drift. It's okay. Let's break that car. Ayo. Ayo. Okay, bunggo naman natin. Yung bunggo. Oh! Kinda lame. But I will delete it. Okay. Ano? Ito yung drive natin. I-50 naman natin. Okay, ito yung drive kami. Drive natin. This one. Oh no. Oh Lordy. Do. Okay. Let's put a train. The train here. Wait. Oh yeah. This one. Yeah, this one. I like this one, guys. Oh no. Okay, we got Ayo. Wait. Come on. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while, guys. Nah, bro. Oh!
Kuya, ginawa mo palang laruan yan?
Nah.
Rin, mag-screen record siya.
Okay.
Umorder ako ng... Oh! Ang tawag doon?
It's okay, guys.
Sayang kasi yung mga panalunan kong una.
Busit ka!
In-order ako.
Hey, yo.
Ano yun?
Let's go. Mabilis
Ang
to.
hinayang pa.
Okay guys, just stop it. It's too
Mga
laggy.
gifts nung
Okay?
pag
If you're
nag-audit,
watching this, hit
sila kuya Pat ang
subscribe
nagpa-premium.
and leave a like.